Unions say the shortage of teachers across the United States has reached crisis levels. School districts are struggling to fill positions as educators leave the profession in big numbers.
I love teaching, and making the decision to leave the classroom is by far one of the hardest decisions I've ever had to make.
Estella Awima Church has spent 15 years teaching English and theater in Los Angeles. But this year, she won't be returning to the classroom.
For the last few weeks, it has been a mourning and a grieving process.
According to the president of the National Education Association, schools are facing a shortage of 300,000 teachers across the country. Experts say it's a trend that started before the COVID-19 pandemic and is seemingly exacerbating school staff shortages.
What you have is real shortages in two ways. One, teachers who know what they're doing leaving the profession early, and second, the number of people coming into teaching is far fewer today than before.
Randy Weingarten is the president of the American Federation of Teachers. A recent member survey showed low job satisfaction among school professionals. 79% of them say they're dissatisfied with working conditions since the start of the pandemic.
There are a lot of reasons why this profession is unsustainable for educators across the country. The expectations on educators continue to grow, but we are also under-resourced.
Faced with gaps in personnel, districts are changing certification requirements, and some are offering signing bonuses to attract new hires. And it's not just teachers. This month, St. Louis Public Schools told parents a nationwide bus driver shortage will affect thousands of their students. John Lewis has been driving school buses in Los Angeles for 31 years. He says low wages are driving the shortage.
School bus drivers used to make a lot of money. Now, they're not as competitive as Los Angeles.
As the school year gets underway, Lewis is picking up additional routes and struggling to make drop-offs on time. That's a responsibility he doesn't take lightly.
You feel like they're your children, right? Because you're responsible for them for so long, and then when they grow up, but I'm just doing it because I want them to get to school,